Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to link Coinbase to Mint. So to link Coinbase to Mint, you have to follow the steps. Now unfortunately, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. So you need to use a web browser. Open up a browser, type in coinbase.com and log in into your account. So first of all, you need to enable the settings. So you have to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and a drop down menu appears. From there, you have to go ahead and press on the settings icon or the settings option. As you click on the settings button, it's going to take you to the settings page, which is going to look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the API from the top right hand side corner. Moving on, you'll need to go ahead and enable all of these. You just have to go and read all of these information, scroll down to the bottom and click the next button. Next, you'll be taken to this field where you have to go ahead and enter the two-step verification or the two-factor authentication that will be sent or displayed on the mobile, and click the submit button located right at the bottom. Next, you need to go ahead and confirm this API features. So here you could go ahead and select all of the wallet that you require, or you could just go ahead and select the specific one. Under it, you have this options, preferences and all that. You could go ahead and select the specific one, and moving on, you'll be taken to this page where API displays quick code, but you have to copy it or jot it down so that you could go and log in with the Mint, or you could just go and link your Coinbase to Mint. When you've actually got this, now you could exit out of Coinbase and then open up or log in into your Mint and then go to link Coinbase and enter this address, and you should be able to successfully link your Coinbase to Mint. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.